Hey, hi guys, my name is Vijayant, and today once again I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough on one of our exciting new feature, which is standing holiday calendar. So first of all, we're going to talk about what is a standing holiday calendar, and then we're going to talk about how we can quickly set this up to one of your SmartReach campaign. So about standing holiday calendar, that's an exceptional list of holidays that you create for which you do not want to send emails from your SmartReach campaign. This would be applied on your prospect's time zone, and in case if it's not available, then this would be applied on your fallback time zone, which we're going to set over here during your campaign creation process. Alright, so now let's talk about the setup part. As usual, I'm going to quickly finish the setup part in just two easy steps. Step number one, set up the standing holiday calendar in your SmartReach account. And step number two is quickly apply the created standing holiday calendar in your SmartReach campaign. Alright, so first of all, let's proceed further with the first part, the setup. I'm going to click onto the settings. Then we need to click onto the team settings. On the next screen, under prospect settings, we need to click on standing holiday calendars. Alright, now I'm going to click on add new standing holiday calendar and quickly input the calendar name. Here I'm going to put that in for US holidays. Alright, the next screen I'm going to add holidays in the calendar. For example, I'm going to quickly add Thanksgiving. Alright. So here, if you can see, I'm actually setting up the duration of the holiday. It's 24th November, and simply click on add. There we go, success. So we just added a holiday. So that's how it is. We just completed the first part, the setup part, and now I'm going to walk you through on how we can quickly apply this standing holiday calendar to one of your SmartReach campaign. So for that, you need to simply select the dedicated campaign wherein you want to set this up. I'm going to select this one over here, and while campaign creation process, there's a fourth step that says campaign settings. Under campaign settings, you need to simply click onto the standing holiday calendar over here, and then select the calendar name and just click on save. That's it, guys. So it's too easy. We just finished in two easy steps. One more thing, guys, if you want, you can still add more holidays in your calendar. We will just reverse the process in the same way we just created. Settings, team settings, under prospect settings, standing holiday calendar, select the calendar name, and from here click on add, and I'm going to quickly add one more. First I'm going to add Labor Day, and once again I'm going to select the holiday range over here, and I'm going to simply click on add. There we go. So you see that we just added one more holiday in your calendar, new holiday calendar. That's how it is, guys. So while compiling those instructions or while following those instructions which I just give you a brief in video, if you're going to face any issue, any concerns, you can reach out to our chat support channel anytime. We'll be glad to check and help you with that. Also, guys, I would like to navigate you towards our complete article for standing holiday calendar. Here we have mentioned all possible frequently asked questions and all instructions set over here. So this would be very helpful for you too, in case if you want and looking for instruction set one by one. Alright, guys, thank you so much for choosing us. I'm going to drop out the FAQs link in the video description. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this. Have a nice day ahead.